Hello guys, this is Chris again. This video is for Flyers 1A class. As usual, before we start, if you haven't done the previous exercise, you can do the previous exercise first. Start from this week, I will give you one meeting, one exercise. Okay? Yeah, I have already told you in the previous video ya, because uh, we 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 are already in unit 12. Unit 12 is the last unit for Flyers 1 for Family and Forensics book. Sorry, 5. So to make it like a bit longer, because you also don't do tests, I will give you exercise one meeting, each meeting one exercise. All right? Yeah, you also have school school exercise first. Sorry, school exercise also, right? That you have to do at home. So I don't want CST exercise becomes a burden for you because of pile of schoolwork that you have to do at home. All right, let's start. For today, please you see your Family and Friends 5 grammar book, Unit 12, page 86 until 87. Let's see, part 12, famous inventions. We read first. Today our show is about famous inventions. What is inventions? Penemuan. The first aeroplane was flown by Orville and Wilbur Wright. Television was invented in 1927 by John Logie Baird. The first car was made by Carl Benz in Germany, and the first telephone call was made by Alexander Graham Bell on 10th March 1876. You look at some words that are blackened, that are bold, was flown, was invented, was made. What are their similarities? Hmm? Nah, their similarities are they are all past simple. Ya, past simple was, okay, was or were, but those three are past simple in their passive form. Okay, now so for today we are going to study about past simple passive. You see below the picture. We use was or were not plus past participle to make the past simple passive. Look at the example. The first aeroplane was invented by Orville and Wilbur Wright. The first aeroplane wasn't invented by John Logie Baird. Now you can see the list of irregular past participles on page 96. See ya, the first aeroplane was invented by Orville and Wilbur Wright. You see the pattern. Um, okay, before we see the pattern, what does it mean? The first example. Pesawat pertama ditemukan oleh Orville dan Wilbur Wright. Oke, ditemukan. If ditemukan is passive or active. That's passive. If active, menemukan, invent. Oke. Nah, because we talk about past simple, we use was or were. I will give you the pattern. See here. The past simple passive, the pattern is object plus was or were plus past participle or verb 3 plus by or with plus subject. You see the previous example, the first aeroplane is the object. And then we use was because only one aeroplane. The first aeroplane was invented is the verb 3 or past participle. And then using by Orville and Wilbur Wright. If I say like this, if I say pekerjaan rumah dikerjakan oleh saya. How? Pekerjaan rumah dikerjakan oleh saya. Dikerjakan is passive, right? Becomes what? What is pekerjaan rumah? Homework. Homework dikerjakan using simple passive was because only one homework. If more than one homework, ya were. Okay. Homework was dikerjakan what? If mengerjakan do, right? The past participle of do is done. So the homework was done by me. Okay, this is different different than previous unit. In the previous unit, present simple passive, right? The grammar that we have already discussed. If present simple is using is MR and then using past participle. If present simple passive, we talk about activities that are currently done or the activities that are usually done. Aktivitas yang biasanya dikerjakan atau sedang dikerjakan. Nah, if past simple passive, we talk about activities that were done, yang sudah dikerjakan. If sudah dikerjakan, it means it is past simple. Okay, past time because it had been done, telah dikerjakan. Okay. Look again, the example. The first aeroplane was invented. It means the first aeroplane was invented since what? Since the beginning of the 20th century, if I'm not mistaken, di awal abad 20. 1900 something lah. Ya. It means it is past time, right? Kejadian di masa lalu. That's why we use was or were. Understand ya? Look, if we use was if the subject is I, he, she, it. Sorry, the object. We use were if the object is you, we, or they. Clear ya? Nah, see. For part 1, which sentences are passive? Write P or strip. Look, number 1. The first explorer was an ancient Egyptian. Huh? Why it is not passive? Do you know the answer? Why it is not passive? Look, there is was, right? Yeah, there is was in number 1. But do you find the verb 3 or past participle in number 1? Do you find past participle in number 1? The first explorer was an ancient Egyptian. The first explorer is the object. Was past simple. An ancient Egyptian, what? Object, right? The first explorer is subject, sorry. An ancient Egyptian is the object. So, which one is the past participle of verb 3? No, right? Yeah, that's why we answer with strip. Okay, look again the pattern. That is past participle or verb 3, yeah, in the sentence. In this case, for part 1, there is no verb 3 in number 1. Okay, so if there is no verb 3 or past participle in each number, that's not passive. Understand ya? If you get confused, you look again lah this one. Okay. Part 2. Part 2, circle the correct answers. This one can be active, can be passive. Ya. Answer carefully. The very first computers were invented about 2500 years ago. Komputer yang pertama kali ditemukan sekitar 2500 tahun yang lalu. Ditemukan. Simple machines called abacuses by the ancient Egyptians. Mesin-mesin yang sederhana yang dinamakan abakus menemukan or ditemukan. Hah? Menemukan or ditemukan oleh orang-orang Mesir kuno. You know the answer ya? If using verb to, for example, number 1, invented is the verb to active. Okay, past simple active. If were invented, past simple passive. You know the difference ya? If invented, menemukan, active. Were invented, ditemukan. Make sure that you read the sentence carefully. For part 3, write the words in the correct order using past simple passive. Don't forget ya, if you get confused, you can look again. Yeah, look again at the pattern. Yeah, object first, and then was word, and then past participle. For example, number 1, the wheel was invented 6,000 years ago. The wheel is the object, and then was. And then invented is the verb 3 or past participle. Alright? Yeah, the pattern is like that. Object plus was or were plus subject. Sorry, plus verb 3 plus by or with plus object plus subject. Okay, part 3 from number 1 until number 10. Please you do. Nah, as usual, I have already told you in the previous video that if you have any English schoolwork, we can help. Just capture your work, and then you also can capture any schoolwork that you don't understand. English ya, English schoolwork that you don't understand, you can capture alongside with your CST work. Okay, thank you guys for listening and watching to my explanation. Don't forget to stay safe and stay healthy. See you guys.